Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in the last tutorial we were discussing about the layout widgets. So we'll continue with those widgets and we'll see today few more widgets. Okay, so let's start. So the first one is your expanded class. So basically it allows to make the child of a row, column or flex to occupy the maximum possible area along the main axis. So suppose there are multiple children in your expanded, so the available space will be divided among them as per the flex. So I'll try to write one code. I'll explain you with the help of a code. I'll just choose a different colors. Let me take it as this. Let me take the height as 100. Okay, so let me take width as 350. I'll just try. Okay, so okay, this thing. Then we have one expanded class. So this will be my expanded class. So as of now, I don't want to give any flex. So I'll just start with the container. I'll just give a container over here. Just a second. Yeah, so this is the container. Then we have, I'll choose any color to differentiate between them. Let me choose it as this. Oh, so I have to give the height. I'll give it 100. And let me choose the width also as of now. So I'll choose it 50. Yes. So this is my height and width. But what if I use flex in this? So I'll create one more expanded class. So I'll just copy it from here and just paste it, and I'll just change the color. I'll take it red accent. Okay, so this is my expanded. I'll change the flex to 2, and here I'll change the flex to 1. Yeah. So see what happens. This space, this is 1 flex, this is 2 flex. So this will take more amount of space rather than this. And apart from that, I'll change the, let me just change the width here. So we'll be able to get it. Yeah. So it's like this. Okay, I'll just create one sized box to in order to check is this working fine. Sized box is basically it creates some empty space. So this is the empty space above this, and I'll create some empty space after this too. So let's see. Yeah. Let me give one color to the app, to the body, so that you will be able to differentiate what is happening. Okay, the background color. Okay, the background color I have already given is white. So let me just change it to blue. Yeah. So this is my app bar, and this is your expanded widget. So expanded class is like this. So it basically, if there are multiple children in your column, so we have multiple children, which is 1 container and 2 expanded, and the available space will be divided among these children as per the flex. So this space has been divided as per 1 and 2 among these 2 containers. Yes, so this was your expanded class. I'll write it over here. So this is our expanded. I'll just comment it. Okay. So the next thing is is your fitted box. I'll write it first. Okay, so what exactly is fitted box is basically it scales and position its child within itself, and as per the fit and align property. It has 2 properties, which is your fit and align. So it will scale and position your its own child as per those properties. Also, it will restrict your child widgets from growing its size beyond a certain limit. So I'll just write one container. I'll just give one container We have some color. Let me take colors dot red accent. I'll give it some height. Let me take it 400 height, and then we have width. I'll change this to white. Yeah, and no, it's fine. Okay, so then we have this is your container. Then we'll be having a child in which we'll be declaring a fitted box class. So this is my fitted box class. Let me just assign some image to it so that we'll be able to understand what is happening over here. So I have the images like this: image1.png, image2.jpg. So I'll choose image2.jpeg. I think, oh sorry, this is not like this. For this, it's asset image like this. Yeah, so let me just see. Okay, so this is my image which is covering my inside my fitted box. So I can align them, or suppose I just wanted to fix it something like box fit. We have box fit for that. We have box fit for multiple values. Let me choose fit width. So it will be fitted as per the width of the box. Then we have fill. So it will be filled like this. Then we have fit height. So it will basically fit according to your height. So you can see there is a difference between fill and fit height. Then other properties are cover. So again, it will cover the entire image. I'll choose it from fit width, then I'll show you the this thing. So that is your cover. Yeah, so this is my cover. Then we have okay, so then we have contain. So yeah, this is my contain. Basically contained means inside your box. It should not they haven't declared they haven't specified the width or size or something, width or height or something. So we'll do it like this. Yeah, and if we wanted to align it, so I'll just provide alignment dot. Let me take it as left, top left. So it will be like this. I'll just change it to let me just change it to fit fill. No, it won't matter with fill. I'll change it with fit width. Yeah. So this is fit width. The top left is this. See, since the image is of bigger size, so you won't be able to understand this alignment properties. But yeah, it actually happens. What if I take it as center left? Maybe that would be a easier part. Yeah, so it would be center aligned, but it is center left basically. So you don't have to worry about anything. Left, what if I take it as center? So obviously it would be centered only like this. Yeah, so this was the fitted box. I'll just comment out this also. Okay. Then we have a fractionally sized box. So fractionally sized box is a widget that sizes its child to a fraction of total available space. So what happens is a fraction is given to the your width and height factor. So we used to understand fraction is basically, suppose I give the height width factor as 0.8. So that means 80% of the available space will be filled. Then suppose if I give the height factor as 0.4, so that means 40% of the available space will be filled by it. So let me just take a container. We have this container. I'll again give the height 100. Then I'll give the width as 350. Yeah, I'll just change the color. So let me take it as colors dot. Sorry, let me take it as this. Okay, so it will be drawn. Yeah, and then I have, okay, I'll do the alignment. So the alignment would be in center. Then okay, I'll start with the center. Sorry, this is not main axis alignment, this is cross axis. Okay, I'll not use cross axis or main axis alignment as of now. I can use the sized box. So right now I'm not using anything. I'll just choose okay. So in this container we'll have a child in which we'll be providing this fractionally sized box. So I'll give the height factor and then the width factor. Let me give it as 0.5 and let it be 0.9. So this is my fractionally sized box. Then I have a child in which I'll give a container. So I'll just assign the color now. Okay, yeah. So this would be like this. So this is a fractionally sized box. Suppose I change the height factor to 0.8, so it will take the 80% of the space. Suppose I change the width factor to 0.5, so it would take the 50% of your space. So it's like this. And what if I wanted to do the alignment? So it would be like this, center left. So it would be like this. Let me take it as top left, so you'll be getting it. So this is your top left. Then we have, let me take it as bottom right. So oh yeah, so this is your fractionally sized box. That means we have to provide the fractions, that is your height factor and your width factor. Okay, so the next one is we have two things, which is your intrinsic width and intrinsic height. So I'll tell you what is both of them. So intrinsic width is basically, it's a widget that sizes its child to its child's maximum width, intrinsic width, and the intrinsic height is somewhat similar, which is sizes its child to the child's maximum intrinsic height. So this is the only difference. Okay, so I'll just okay, we'll start with intrinsic height and intrinsic width now. Okay, so let me just take intrinsic width. So we will be providing intrinsic width like this your class like this. Then we have a child where I'll be putting a row. Okay, then there will be definitely there will be children. Let me take a raised button and on pressed it won't be doing anything. Okay, and I'll just change the color. Sorry. Yeah, so let me take it as this color. Okay, I can provide this your text also. So I'll give it a text, child text. So let me just take it as a short text. So it's like this. Then I'll just copy this and just paste it and just change this color. So let me give it 26. This is long text, and again I'll just paste it and yeah, I'll change this color. Let me take it as this and let me write it as longer text. Yeah, so it would appear something like this, that we have some specified widgets, specified child, and then what we are doing is we are just sizing our child to its maximum intrinsic width. So this would be the maximum intrinsic width, and yeah, so we have this thing. Also apart from this, let me take it as flexible, so you will get to know what will happen. So I'll just take it as flexible. Now I'll do one thing. I'll just provide this raised button inside this. So yeah, So this is flexible. Since this is flexible, it could be a longer. So if I'll give some longer text, so it will be a bit longer. So it will appear like that. Then okay, so this was your intrinsic width. Then we have your intrinsic height. So that is also something similar. Just the child will take the maximum height. So I think I should copy and paste it here, and I'll just change its height, and I'll remove this widget. So I'll remove this widget. Yeah. Okay, something happened. I guess I didn't provide this. This is for row, and then this is for intrinsic height, I guess. Yeah. Okay. Yes, I think this. Okay, let me just check. Okay. We don't have this thing. We have this raised button over here. We have this row. Okay, I should have this thing. Okay, so it would work. Okay, so it's in a row. Actually, this is in a column, so I'll do it row. Yeah, it should be in column. Just a second. It should be in column. So it's like long text. Okay, what is happening is I'll just remove this thing. I guess it's not closed. That is the reason. Okay. I'll just close this. We have this. Then we have this children. Okay, it's taking in the upper row. So I'll just close everything. Yeah, maybe it will work now. Okay, let me just check what is happening. Oh, oops. Okay, so what I'll do is okay. This is just because this thing. Yeah, so this is extra. Yeah, so it works. Yeah. So actually, there were some issues with your braces and brackets. So I just removed the extra ones, and so now it will look like this. This is just because of some this is just yeah, because of this intrinsic width and intrinsic height. We have these two things. So it will adjust according to it. So it will adjust basically according to your maximum intrinsic width and height respectively. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay safe. Thank you.